These are the ones opposing from, this one might be broken. This has a good motor, let's listen. Nice, fast leveling.
Platform level. Going down.
NEMA 4X. Not universal, these are NEMA 4X. And I think there's another, yep, there is one on the other side. Hopefully the fan's off. There is a camera in this one.
Indeed. You can see.
As you can tell, it's scenic. Hey, your fixtures, innovation.
I only get a good look at that.
Look at that. Pretty slow on the way down. I think it stayed on peak up. Oh look, there's some escalators. Alright, and this will be the last elevator we're gonna look on. Yeah, they stay on peak up, look. Look at that, they stay on peak up.
Going up.
Alright, here we go. Gee, I wish the fan was on.
Platform level. Going down.
Door close works. Look at a view out here. New York Sports Clubs is over there. Maybe we'll try the elevators over there. And as you can tell, we just go through a concrete wall. Oh no, that's the traveling cable. I'm stupid.
But
Alright.
and it has keys on it.
Street level.
That was interesting. And obviously it's not going to close because they stay on peak up. So anyways, there goes those elevators, and that's it.